Likert-type scale.
The Likert-type scale comprises specific statements along with options for the respondents. The most common 5 options provided are strongly agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. Alternatively, it may include an even number of 4 or 6 steps rather than 5. In that case, there is no provision of the neutral option. To prevent attempts of blind rating, we can have a mix of positive and negative sounding statements. By assigning ratings like 1 to 5 to the options, we can quantify the responses to various items. Summation thereof gives us a total score for the individual respondent or statement.